Environmental issues. Question 1. Consider the following statements with reference to the carbon sequestration. 1. It is the technology designed to tackle global warming by capturing CO2 and storing it before it is released into the atmosphere. 2. Depleted oil reserves, unmineable mines are examples of natural carbon sinks. 3. Carbon dioxide can dissolve in liquid like water but not in oil. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. With reference to National Clean Air Program, NCAP, consider the following statements. 1. It aims to achieve the 20% to 30% reduction in particulate matter concentration by 2034. 2. It is prepared by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to reduce PM concentration in the selected smart cities. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding dissolved oxygen. 1. Biological oxygen demand, BO, D, is a better indicator to measure the concentration of required oxygen as compared to chemical oxygen demand, COD. 2. COD measures the concentration of oxygen required for the oxidation of non-biodegradable matters while BOD measures the same for the degradable matter. 3. The dissolved oxygen is inversely proportional to the dissolved organic wastes in the water body. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above. Question 4. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the Solid Wastes Management Rules, 2016? A. Waste generators are to segregate wastes into 3 categories: biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and domestic hazardous wastes. B. Local authorities and village panchayats are to make suitable waste management plans in accordance with the state government policy. C. All manufacturers of disposable products are to provide financial assistance to the local authorities for the setting up of waste disposal systems. D. These rules are only applicable to the plains and exempt the hilly and the northeastern states. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding bioremediation. 1. It uses microorganisms or their enzymes to break down pollutants from the environment. 2. Marine microbes wheat bran is a hydrocarbon-degrading bacterium with the capacity to clear all spills. 3. These microbes do not have a metabolism of their own and rely on the hydrocarbon waste for energy. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding genetically modified organisms. 1. Rubber Board Research Farm has the world's second genetically modified, GM, rubber plant tailored for the climatic conditions in northeastern India after China. 2. GMOs are living organisms whose genetic material has been artificially manipulated in a laboratory through genetic engineering. 3. Clearance of Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, HEA, C, is not mandatory for the environmental release of genetically modified, GM, crops. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 only. Question 7. Which of the following are the environmental consequences of sand mining in India? 1. Changing the course of the river and increased in river erosion. 2. Depletion of groundwater tables. 3. Threat to agriculture and damage to coastal ecosystem. 4. Adversely impacting the habitat of microorganisms. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. With respect to sand mining, consider the following statement. 1. Sand provides a buffer against strong tidal waves and storms and is used for making glass. 2. Due to sand mining, there is revenue forfeiture to the exchequer. 3. Sand mining results in an increase of groundwater and enriches the coastal ecosystem. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Which of the following are the impacts of radiation from mobile phone towers? 1. Magnetic field from the towers disturbs birds' navigation skills, hence when birds are exposed to electromagnetic radiation, EMR, they disorient and begin to fly in all directions. 2. It causes cellular and psychological changes in human beings. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding landslides. 1. Landslides are a type of mass wasting, which denotes any downslope movement of soil and rock under the direct influence of gravity. 2. About 12.6% of the land area of our country is prone to landslide hazards. 3. The National Disaster Management Authority and is undertaking National Landslide Susceptibility Mapping in country. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.